Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix install app not showing on home screen. For example, Safari app not showing on home screen. So how to fix it? Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and scroll down and type on screen time. Scroll down and type on content and privacy restriction and tap on allowed app and turn off the toggle. Safari app you can turn on and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on again setting and scroll down and tap on screen home screen. You as can see show two option, add to home screen and app library only. You can select add to home screen and go back your home screen, and you as can see Safari app show your home screen. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.